Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for events on the Facebook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the search icon at the top of the screen. And then you should type in events, or if you have a particular events in mind, you can type in the name of that particular one. So click on events, and here as you can see there are the top events, but you can narrow down your search by tapping on the local button, and here you are going to see the events, the nearby events, or if you click on this week, you are going to see events held this week, or that will be hold this week. You can also check out your friends events, groups events, online events, events of your following pages, and art as well. So if you tap on this one of them and you are interested in it, you can mark it by tapping on the interested button, and you can add it to your calendar. And if you are sure that you will be there, tap on the going button. If you click on this plus icon, you can also create your own event, or you can also share these by tapping on the share button. You can share it on your feed or send it via Messenger or other options as well. Other options are also provided. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.